Thousands of products in your catalog, but you only need the ones missing a main photo. Or items from a specific brand with status new. Or everything ready to export? Forget manual scrolling. Extended filters in MarketProvider put the right products in front of you instantly. Open the filter panel and switch to Extended Filters. Here you will find every attribute from every category in your catalog. Operators adapt to the attribute type. For text, equals, not equals, contains, starts with, ends with. For numbers like price, equals, not equals, in range. For photos, filter by image count from 1 to 100. For dates, pick a period using the calendar. Products updated last week? Done. Combine multiple conditions at once. Hit Apply. Only the products you need stay on screen. Built a complex filter? Save it. Give it a name. Planogram. Products with photo. Whatever fits your workflow. Next time it applies in one click from Saved Filters. No rework. Your best filters are always ready. Got the right selection? Copy the link and send it to a colleague. They open the same page with the same filters and see exactly the same set of products. No more explaining which category to open or what to filter by. The same principles work in the public catalog. Your partners and clients filter products by any public attribute. They find what they need in seconds, even with thousands of items. Extended filters turn your catalog into a precision tool. Filter by any attribute. Save. Share with your team. Visit our Help Center or reach out to your account manager to get started.